Today, I'm going to walk you through on how you are able to use these two free tools, which I actually shared a couple days ago on a video. If you haven't watched it, please go back to the videos in my profile and watch them. But this is the two free tools that actually is helping a lot of content creators, a lot of people able to make money online. So how can you be able to use this to create content? I'm going to show you guys an example. So I promote a program that helps moms able to quit their job and earn an income online on the digital marketing space. So say for example, some of the things that I love to do, I like to share motivational tips about being an entrepreneur, or motivational tips about, just for your day, so that way you feel good about your day. So I'm going to share with you guys how you can be able to use ChatGPT to create content. And you see that a lot of content creators use this because it saved them hours, and it seems to save them time so that they have more time to be with their family. So here's an example. I literally come here and ask ChatGPT, please, can you create me 5 pieces of content to motivate moms who are working so hard to start an online business that is simple to use, and then hit send. Okay, so while I submit that, then ChatGPT is gonna split to us. You'll see in a couple of seconds. Now it's pulling from my ChatGPT history, some of the things that I always do here. In fact, that's the most powerful thing that ChatGPT does. It actually, if you see here on the side here, it keeps track and it keeps a history of what you have been doing in ChatGPT. So here's an example here, like 5 posts already. I can literally just take this and post it on my Facebook or any social media that I use. Here's an example. Hey, super moms, every day you juggle so many roles. Now it's time to add entrepreneur to your list. Imagine launching an online business that fits your busy lifestyle. Like, I don't know about you, but for me, even English is a second language for me, and it could be hard to perfect those grammars. And ChatGPT does it all for you. Okay, like here's what you can do. There's so much more, and you can still go back. Can you create me more of these, but for dance, right? And watch, it's going to split more. Sorry, it's going to spit more motivational content specifically for dads. Look here. Hey, dadpreneurs, every day you work hard to provide and inspire. Now it's your time to harness that drive into building an online business designed to fit your busy lifestyle. What do you think so far about this? This is pretty cool, right? I don't have to do any thinking. I just have to tell ChatGPT what I want him to create. And you can do a lot of things with this. But today we're going to start with the basic. And let's say, for example, I want to start with this inspirational quote. Your strength is your secret weapon. Turn your dreams into reality, one simple step at a time. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go and use Canva. Remember, Canva is a pre-made design tool that you can customize and that you can use what they already have to just create content. So I'm going to go to Canva. So I'm going to go create a design. I'm going to select that I'm going to post this on social media. And I'm going to just look for something here that I feel like I want to put this on. So let's say, for example, here, this one is already pre-made. All I have to do is delete those, copy what I got from ChatGPT. Now I'm going to just edit it so it looks a little bit more nicer, professional. So let me just space it out. Let me put that on the second lane. And I can actually change the font if I need to over here. There's a lot of different fonts. You can change the background if you want to. I mean, it's just up to your preference and your brand as well. But I'm gonna just keep it simple today so that you're not overwhelmed with all this information. So yeah, I think that should be okay. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to download this. Okay. And again, this is free, so I can download this to my computer. So I'm downloading it. So then I'm going to go to my Facebook and I'm going to show you in real time. I'm going to post this on Facebook. I'm going to go here and then I think it should be done downloading. So I'm going to go back to Facebook. I'm going to go pictures, add photos, go to my download on my computer, and boom, there you have it. There you go. It's easy as that. And you can imagine doing this with a lot of content. And this is how people are able to save time by using ChatGPT and Canva to create content and post daily. So I hope you're learning something from here and you can see for yourself that you can actually create content and save you time, but actually use it as a tool to be able to make money online with the right blueprints, with a small few tweaks, and you're going to start building a legacy for your family. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can do this and be able to make an income from home online. It's just up to you how you want to start, which online business you want to do. But for me, I like what I do right now, which is digital marketing with the legacy builders. And I use these tools to create my content because for me, English is my second language, and this is a huge bonus for me. I don't have to worry about grammars. I don't have to worry about spelling. It does the work for me. So that's ChatGPT and Canva in real life, real time for you. If you have any questions, feel free to put in the comment below and I'll get back.